Hello friends, I am Dr. Vivek Jain, Faculty of Preventive and Social Medicine with PrepLadder online platform. Friends, today I am going to share with you the important highlight features of a very successful program of last year across all the online platforms, that is Rapid Revision course. This year we have come out with Rapid Revision course 2.0 and I will be discussing with you how I have developed this course in relation to my subject Preventive and Social Medicine. Friends, how did I develop the rapid revision course for my subject PSM? Friends, I utilized my 15 years of teaching experience across several countries, and what I did, I took all the MCQs which appeared in any exam of India over the last 15 years from the subject of PSM. So it included not only NEET PG or the older one All India PG, but AIIMS PG entrance examination, PGI JIPMER exam, and earlier there were state PG entrance examinations of India. After I got hold of all the questions, what I did, I arranged all the MCQs first chapter wise, then topic wise, and finally subtopic wise. Then I discussed all these topics and subtopics chapter wise in a very concise, high yielding information point of view. Friends, I have used a lot of photographs, logos and designs and diagrams in this rapid revision course to help you develop long lasting concepts based memory. I have used technical definitions in which keywords you can remember. I have used a lot of examples which have been asked in our examinations till now, and I have also used a lot of numericals at appropriate places wherever there are formulae and you need to know the calculations. And friends, one of the highlights of this course is that I have tried to include recent most updated information and data in the rapid revision course of PSM. Friends, all of you are aware about this field PSM, where there is ever changing, continuously evolving data points or data sets. So we have to be updated for our forthcoming examinations. What I have made sure is this rapid revision course covers almost all 100% of the course that you need to know, and I have tried to keep it well below 1/5 of the regular main videos, that is only less than 9 hours. If you can finish it in a single go, it will be a huge advantage while revising the subject. As I was discussing with you, I have tried to use a lot of definitions point wise with keywords highlighted in the course. I have also tried to use a lot of concept building images which will have a long lasting memory, which will help you develop a clear concept base for the examinations. Friends, anywhere I wanted to highlight a difference between two things, like between cohort study, case control study. I have not just tried to evolve the concept, but I have also tried to use the image at appropriate place so that it will help you understand and memorize better. At the same time, friends, I have not tried to miss even a single fact-based topic which will help you achieve higher marks in the objective examination. Friends, I have also included all the recent most questions that you must have seen in either review books or online platforms in a single course of rapid revision of PSM. From my own side, I have tried to use a lot of images so that it will help you build a concept based long lasting memory. Friends, I must share with you, for this rapid revision course 2.0, I have recorded the 100% whole content of PSM afresh. So it's not a last year course, but I have recorded it 100% new so that you stay updated with all the latest developments in the field. This is the very reason I got a chance to include a new section in rapid revision course of PSM this time, that is Crazy Corner, where all the unusual type of PSM subject questions which have been asked in examinations in recent years, I have tried to compile at a single place. I am sure you are going to love this feature of my course. Friends, in a nutshell, I can say rapid revision course is a complete package for success in the examination. It has a total of 6 very important highlights or features. Number 1, it includes all the revision videos and the snapshot videos. Number 2, it has a 3000 MCQ based rapid revision Q bank. It includes previous years video discussions of examinations which will help you go through the recent most questions with good discussion points with the faculty just before your actual exam arrives. Fourth important feature of this course is you will get treasures. You can say almost one-liner golden points based on recent examination questions, which will help you go through whole course in a very concise and a very rapid manner. Fifth important highlight of this course is you will get printed notes if you opt for it, along with the workbook style notes of snapshot videos also. And in the end, the sixth highlight feature of this particular course, we have tried to introduce integrated video discussions of questions of the recent examination. Different faculties discussing their relevant portion of a given question asked in the exam. As our examination pattern is evolving, we are also trying to match with it. I am sure you are going to love this integrated approach of problem solving in the rapid revision course. So friends, I know most of you are about to complete the course or have just completed the course, or many of you may have already embarked on the revision schedule. So what I will suggest, during your revision schedule, one of the revision should definitely be from rapid revision course of PrepLadder. It will simply zoom up your rank across your peers. So friends, what I will suggest, rapid revision course 2.0, subscribe today. Students who are existing subscriber to PrepLadder combined app or individual PSM app will get this rapid revision course totally free. But other students who want to opt for a combined rapid revision course of all the 19 subjects, please visit the PrepLadder website for rapid revision. Friends, for those of you who are looking at PSM, you can download my mobile-based video lecture application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store for your Android or iOS devices. Friends, in the end, I would like to convey my best wishes to you for a grand success in the forthcoming examination. Just keep on studying. Success is just waiting around the corner. I wish you all the best. Thank you.